Removing warps and flexes from your wood pieces and boards can seem to be a mammoth task. If this is the case, then you have not heard of the benchtop jointer. It is basically a tool which allows you to smoothen the warped wood or squaring the hewed pieces of lumber. Choosing the best benchtop jointer can be very confusing because of the different brands, highlighting different details of the jointer. There are many products available to choose from best benchtop jointers for woodworking, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did quality research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best benchtop jointers for woodworking from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Porter Cable Benchtop Jointer. This Porter Cable benchtop jointer is very versatile and very effective for all your woodwork projects at home. This is a perfect jointer for facilitating all your woodwork projects. The sheet metal material allows a variable speed of 6,000 to 11,000 RPM, which enables the worker to choose depending on the hardness and size of the wooden board or the material being worked on. It features a dual knife head which makes the adjustment and replacement of the knives very simple. The inbuilt cutter head makes it easy for you to arrange the knives according to your preference. The head is large which provides work support, and the surface can be stock up to handle 6-inch boards. Pros. Very versatile. Variable speed. 2 knives head. Ample support. Number 2. Wahuda Tools Benchtop Jointer. The Wahuda jointer offers smooth and level edges and surfaces easily and quickly, so that you can achieve smooth and precise cuts on figured and tough woods. This jointer also features a spiral cutter head with 4-way carbide inserts for quieter and sharper operation. With the standard size of the blade makes the product cost-effective too, and makes the replacement simple too. The 12,000 RPM is made possible with the 120V motor. It can easily take care of the flattening, jointing, handling, edging and tapering off any surface. The additional fence can be tilted at angles from 90 degrees and 135 degrees to increase versatility. The expandable and adjustable iron cast tables can improve the stability to make it suitable for working on larger boards. Pros. Precise cuts can be achieved easily and quickly. Spiral cutter head with 4-way carbide. 120V motor. Tiltable additional fence. Cons. The installation takes a while. Number 3. Craftsman Benchtop Jointer. Want a variable speed cutter head ranging from 12,000 to 22,000 cuts per minute. This benchtop jointer has this feature and so much more. It also has a variable speed range of 6,000 to 11,000 RPM. These jointers also feature a dual knife cutter with an inbuilt headlock cutter, and easy leveling of jack screw knife, which enables a smooth functioning and easy adjustment and replacement. They are suitable for face jointing, flattening and edging. Also, the variable speed allows accurate speed for any length or width of the material. The 10-ampere machine is capable of all kinds of wood work with any thickness and depth. Pros. Variable speed. Number 4. Wind Spiral Benchtop Jointer. Are you in need of a jointer to smoothen out your work pieces or wooden boards? These benchtop jointers allow precise cuts on all kinds of boards till the width of 6 inches. The jointer features 12 high-speed steel cutter heads, which allow smooth cuts in both hard and soft woods. Moreover, the 10-ampere motor enables 12,000 RPM. The in-feet can be adjusted from 0 to inches of the material with maximum precision and accuracy. The wide table allows a sturdy base to work freely. The spring-loaded blade guard prevents all kinds of injuries, as only a portion of the cutter head is exposed to the user. The built-in dust port allows minimal cleanup. There are 2 push blocks which enable safe jointing of the components. This jointer is compatible with all the replacement spiral blades. Pros. Allows precise cuts. 0.12 HSS cutter heads which allow easy replacement. Built-in dust port. Spring-loaded blade guard. Cons. Some people had issues with the voltage. Number 5. Grizzly Benchtop Jointer. Want high-speed steel to make precise cuts on the wooden board? This Grizzly jointer features cutting the edges directly perpendicular to the wood. The jointer has a spiral cutter head which enables less maintenance, quiet operation and smooth finishes, as opposed to the straight cutter heads. These jointers have been treated with heat for resistance to wear and tear and hardness. Further, the dual side inserts allow sharper edges and reduce noise while working. The dust created is finer and is collected in clogged lines throughout the edges. The compact size allows it to be portable and store easily when not in use. Pros. High-speed steel construction. Quiet operation. Less maintenance. Compact size. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.